The new list of top earners in RTE is dominated by management executives as the talent goes out the door. RTE bosses Kevin Backhurst, Richard Waghorn, and Adrian Lynch come in behind Joe Duffy last year. Now that RTE is finally publishing the salaries of its executives, it has become apparent that the real big earners in Montrose are not the on air talent, but the suits. And it will be even more pronounced in the coming years as RTE's two top paid presenters are leaving, with new members of the permanent leadership team coming on board. The RTE annual report for 2024 reveals Joe Duffy, through his company Claddagh Green Limited, was paid €351,000 last year, making him the highest earner at the station since Ryan Tubridy's departure. But Mr. Duffy left this summer, so he won't feature in the top 10 list next year. After the Liveline presenter, the remainder of the top five is made up of members of management. Director General Kevin Backhurst on a package of €339,954, Deputy Director General Adrian Lynch on €292,285, Chief Technology Officer Richard Waghorn on €287,120, and Director of News and Current Affairs Deirdre McCarthy on €281,187. Soon to depart, presenter Claire Byrne comes in sixth as she was paid $280,000 through her firm Darrow Media Limited. Ms Byrne is finishing up with RTE in the coming weeks as she departs for Newstalk in the new year.